Dude, Brad, this tastes like shit.
Did you know with a simple toothbrush and toothpaste, you can remove years of wear and tear and grime on your headlights and actually restore them to like new condition? My name is Brad Danger, and in today's video, I will show you how you get your headlights that currently look like this to looking brand spanking new. Only costing you a couple of bucks using just a toothbrush and some toothpaste, unless you steal your friends, which then it costs nothing. Let's go! Before starting the first step, you're gonna wanna gather all these materials to achieve the best looking headlight. Firstly, you'll need the toothbrush and toothpaste we mentioned above. And if you can find a gritty toothpaste, that would be best. The abrasiveness of the grit is what really helps scrape away the years of grime. Along with that, you will also need some soap and water to clean the headlight, a sponge or mitt to do the dirty work, masking tape to mask off the paint from potential scratches, a few soft cloths and some paper towels, and finally, some car wax, baby. Step 1. Start by cleaning your headlight with soap and water. Oh yeah, you're gonna wanna make the perfect arch in your back to achieve the best back and forth movements with the mitt. And then, once you've cleaned off all of the dirt, rinse with water, then dry. Step 2. Begin masking off the surrounding areas of the headlight with tape. This will protect the paint from any erratic toothbrush bristles. Step 3. Slightly dampen a cloth with water, and then add a small quart-sized dab of toothpaste and begin rubbing the headlight firmly in a circular pattern. Keep adding toothpaste as you go to completely cover the headlight. And then, when covered, begin scrubbing away in a circular pattern with the toothbrush. You'll also want to ensure that you don't miss getting into all the crooks, crevices, and cavities either. And then, once the toothpaste begins to turn yellow, you can tell that it's actually working. Overall, the scrubbing action should take plus or minus 5 minutes per headlight, or about twice as long as you're supposed to brush your teeth 2 times a day. The more toothpaste, the merrier. Step 4. Spray it down with water, and then you'll want to buff out the toothpaste with a clean paper towel. So now, you're going to want to spray down the headlight one more time. For extra credit, you can use a water pick. Works great. And then fully dry using another clean paper towel. You can repeat the cleaning process a couple more times for best results. Step 5. Once your headlights are properly restored, this is where we apply the car wax to protect it from any future damage. Apply a small dab of wax onto the clean cloth and begin rubbing in a circular motion, applying more wax as you go. Once you have completely covered the headlight with a thin layer, buff out the wax using a clean cloth, and then voila, you'll have some headlights that you'll be happy to show off. When we started this video, we had some ugly looking headlights that seriously limited visibility. And now, after a quick toothpaste hack, you'll have headlights that will not only put out a strong beam at night, but they will also look practically brand new. Minty.
Now, this is only a temporary solution, and it's only gonna keep your headlights clear about as long as you should go in between dentist appointments. But luckily I've created a professional way to restore your headlights that will last the life of your car, and it only costs $20, which makes me holla. So go check out that vid right here, or check out what YouTube recommends you watch next. Oh, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe, but either way, you can't lose, and as always, keep living that ideal lifestyle.